In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use mods in Clair Obscur. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this outfit for loan. Using the pick, choose the version you like to download. I'm gonna download this underwear version. Scroll down, select the manual download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this REUE4SS. This is required for some mods to work. Scroll down to the bottom and select the UE4SS. Once download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the UE4SS and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open Sandfall and open binaries Win64. Drag and drop these two files inside this folder and then go back to the game folder. Open the mod, open the Sandfall content packs. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Check my video description for this text. Copy the text used. Then right click on new folder and select rename. Paste the text to be copied and press enter. Open this mods folder. Drag and drop all the mod file inside. Now we have successfully installed the mod. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press the tab key and select the loon and select wardrobe and select the civilian dress. This is the outfit it replaces, and as you can see, the same mod we installed. I show you guys the mod. So this is the mod we used in game. Civil outfit for loan. And we have successfully installed the mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.